Okay, this is a unit right here running with no insulators on it at all. I got it completely open, like somebody left the panels off. And right here at 3 feet away from the unit, you got 73 decibels or 71. If you step back here, about a few feet, you're running about 68 dB to 73 dB. Now, if you'll notice, we don't have the doors on this thing at all. I'll let this thing full open without the insulation on it as we're talking right in front of it. I'll get really close to it and talk to it. It sounds about like an air conditioning unit at your house. Of course, when you put the enclosure all the way on it, you won't be able to hear that hardly at all. It drops back down to about 65 dB. So anyway, I hope that meets your needs. I hope that shows you what it does. Thank you and have a great day.